To change its lighting duration of the brief notification pop-up on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap notification pop-up style. If you have set it to brief, you can change how long the ads will be lighted. To do so, tap Ads Lighting Style, tap Advanced tab, and then slide the adjustment bar below duration to the right to get a longer duration for the Ads Lighting alert, or slide it to the left to get a shorter duration for the Ads Lighting alert, as you can see in the preview. To save the change, tap Done button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.